I have a pen. I have an apple. Apple pen.
A month without uploading, he comes back with a tag that no one even tagged him in. He's not a challenge to drag,
Ouch.
so prepare for an attack, and by that I mean cringe.
Benedict Cumberbatch. Benedict Cumberbatch.
You know you love me, I know you care. Just shout whenever, and I'll be there. You want my love.
Oh, you touch my tralala. My ding ding dong.
For the man with the 12-inch penis, please pick up his phone. Man with the 12-inch penis, please pick up your phone. Thank you.
My little pony, what is friendship all about? My little pony,
I'm Benedict, but you can call me Big Ben. If you're feeling a bit strange, the doctor will see you now.
So seductive. I take you to the candy shop. I let you lick.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Everybody calm down!
Please would you pick up the telephone? Please pick up your telephone. Ring ring, bada bang ding ding, ring ring ring, bing bing bing.
I'm bringing sexy back. Yeah. The mother boys don't know how to act.
Yeah. I'm Eddie. I'm 34. And if you're looking for a fantastic beast, I know where you'll find Benedict Cumberbatch.
Hey yo, I'm confident enough to say I think he's pretty handsome, even though he's kinda weird looking and then some. But he's everywhere these days, TV and cinema. Everyone, if you're with me, put him up. What? You got a mystery, he'll solve it probably. Yes,